What's up guys, welcome back to the RSN Investing YouTube channel. Today we're going to film episode 4 of the Road to $5,000 challenge. So come on with me and let's get right into it. What's up guys, we're back on the computer now, so let's get into it. First we see our Bitcoin pumping here. CPI numbers just dropped. They were as expected, so a little pump here. So let's go to eToro and Binance and see if our funds have been deposited yet. Welcome back. Yes, as I can see, cash available $80.
Budget approved.
Okay, and Binance, let's see, okay, also our 74 USDT has landed here.
Budget approved.
So that's great. So we can get right into it. So we have $80 ready in our eToro account, and I was thinking to divide that by 2 stocks, and the stocks I was thinking to buy were let's see, yeah, Google, Alphabet. If you take a look at 1 day time frame, you can already see the support on Google. It is a nice opportunity to buy Google here for this price. Alphabet Google. Okay. So we're going to invest $40 equity. So okay, we get 0.43 units, almost half a share. $40. Open trade. Okay, we're immediately filled. So the second stock I wanted to take a look at was Tesla.
This is Elon Musk.
As you can see on the 1 day time frame, Tesla has been hit hard the last couple of months. Almost 70% down from September. And as you can see here, also some nice support here. Already made a little bounce of this level right here, which came from here, as you can see. The resistance, the support, boom, now support again. So let's go over to eToro and search for Tesla. How much did we have available? Still $40. So invest $40 again. No take profit. We will do that manually when the time is right. So $40, no stop loss, no leverage. 0.3 units, so 1/3 of a share of Tesla stock. Open trade. Immediately failed. I don't want to share this. So let's take a look at our portfolio and see how it did. So actually our positions did quite good. Almost all of them are in profit now.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Except for Facebook, Meta. This one recovered really well. And these two we just bought. So out of the 6 positions we had, only 1 is at a loss and the rest is all in profit. Fill these numbers into our Excel sheet and we'll see at the end of this video how we did, how it's looking for us. $32 profit. Okay, let's go over to Binance. So we still have our Bitcoin and Ethereum, our biggest positions. $95.90, $15 Solana, still at a loss. $12 Chainlink, $9 BNB. So the almost $75 we have in USDT, we're gonna invest now. Like usual, we're gonna do $30 Bitcoin, $30 Ethereum, because we don't want the risk of $30 in one altcoin. We want to take less risk, so we put 30 again in Bitcoin, 30 again in Ethereum, and we'll put the $14 that's left into one altcoin. That's the risk profile we're having here. So let's search for Ethereum, USDT. Let's see. Now I want a $30 of Ethereum. Limit. Okay, buy Ethereum. That order is created. So now we want our Bitcoin. Pay to say. Okay, our Bitcoin. $30 worth of Bitcoin again. Buy Bitcoin. Order created. So one altcoin I thought was interesting, is going to be interesting this year, is Fetch AI, which is an artificial intelligence crypto coin. And my personal opinion, I think artificial intelligence is gonna be one of the hot topics this year. 2023. You probably have seen the ChatGPT things come by on your TikTok For You page or Instagram, whatever. So we're gonna buy this coin, an AI coin, which I think is gonna do good this year, and AI coins in general are gonna do good, I think, this year. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Don't take my word for it. I don't have the ability to predict the markets or whatever, so yeah, let's take a closer look. It's already been pumping since the last couple days. Jeez. Actually not the best moment to buy a coin like this after almost 300% up since only November last year. But for the sake of this series, we're still gonna do it. If you want to buy, as you can see the construction here, low, high, high, low, high, high. If you want to buy, you should wait for a pullback to somewhere around, as you can see, this support resistance, somewhere around here, I would say. You play for something like this, boom, high low, high high play. That will save you, let's see, on a 10% loss for your investment. But for the sake of this series, we're just gonna buy this market. But if you are going to do this yourself, you should not buy market here. You should buy a limit order. You should purchase by a limit order. So what was the ticker? FET USDT. FET USDT. How much do we have left? So $14, almost $15. Buy FET. Order created, immediately filled. Okay, let's take a look at our positions for now, and let's put them into our Excel sheet. So we're doing pretty good, in my opinion. Total invested $325 and $300. It's more invested, but it's worth $300. Let's open our sheet. Take a good look at this before it's changed, before we fill in all these numbers. As you can see, our meta was 16% in a 16% loss the last time we filled this in, and our Bitcoin and Ethereum 9.6, almost 60 on Solana, which I think didn't change much. Oh, a little. So that'll change the outcome of all this. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first stock we bought wasn't Tesla, but I'm gonna put it as Tesla, which was $40. It's now at a 1 cent. It's 1 cent profit. Oh, not much. We'll just leave it at 40 and we'll see what it did next month. So 40, 0. Yeah, the second stock we bought was Google, also 40. What is the ticker? Gook. Also $40. Also 40. So for the one altcoin we bought was Fetch AI. We purchased, how much did we purchase of that one? 1472. 1472. It's still worth that much. 1472. Okay, now let's put in the current value. I made a little change to make this the value of this stock. So let's change it right away. Our Nvidia is 67.13, 67.13. Okay. Wait. Why? Oh my. Why did it do that? Okay. 67.13. Okay. Our meta is now worth 44.49. 4449. 4449. That's quite a change. PayPal. 39.53. 39.53. That's a profit. So let's turn that to green. No, not the text. Fill. Boom. Amazon, where are you? Right here. 36.56. 36.56. Boom, that's also in the green. It's starting to look good. American Airlines, where are you? 23% profit. 48.19. 48.19. Boom. I like to see that. Disney 41.77. 41.77. Wait. Disney 41.67. 41.67. Yeah. Also green. Tesla and Google will do next week, because this is changing too much for us. So we invested another 30 into Bitcoin, which makes it 123. Also another 30 in Ethereum, which makes it 122. Current value of our Ethereum, let's go for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 91.78. 91.78. Little less in the loss. So our position went up a little bit. Ethereum is 96.07. 96.07. Our Solana 1539. 1539. BNB 983. Not much change there. Chainlink, where are you? 1262. 1262. Alright, so our stocks did quite well, and our crypto, our Bitcoin and Ethereum also went up a little. So let's see here. The total money we invested is $440 now, and we started with $200, which comes to a total money invested of $640.31. Total value portfolio is just under $600, which means we're in a loss of $42. So our ROI is minus 6.6%. I'm kind of curious what these stocks and what the crypto space will do in the next coming month, and how our positions will be looking next month. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.